Hey my gators, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Getting ready to put these in their containers. I have my homemade strawberry jam and I have my homemade syrup. I don't have a video for this, but I do have a video for that below. And I want you to check it out below and show you the reason why. As a homemaker, I love creating these things for my family, which are more cost effective, and also I know what's inside of them. So check out the link below, but let's get these in their containers. This here is an old container from some syrup that I really love, but it was very expensive, and I just kept it because I love the bottle. And this is an old jam jar, which I think I'm going to start using my new mason jars that I have. Not new, but I have mason jars that I purchased that I didn't use yet with newer lids that I got like several months ago, and I'm like, that will actually keep it. Let me show you. I make a tincture that's like heart healthy tincture with cayenne, and so I usually put these lids on. So I'm going to start probably using this to give it a nice seal, and it look probably better. You know what, that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it in my ball jar instead of in that jar, and I'm going to use that for something else. So this one was a little bit smaller, so I use that, but this one can take, I believe, yep, that one, and that allows me to be able to pour more in and not worry about it having to spill. I love these, and this is a smaller hole. So yeah, let's get into it. A lot of you are new to the channel, so these are videos to just enlighten you on the type of content that I have that you may not know about, so you can go check out the links. So I'll let that sit there and let it kind of cool, and it gets a little bit thicker. And the same with the syrup. So we're going to pour this in there, and the syrup, as it sits, it gets thicker as well. So hope you guys like the actual recipe below and tell me what you think if you make it for your family. This is a maple but vanilla cinnamon syrup here, and we love it. I actually put this in my coffee as well. So yeah. Alright guys, check out the links below, and I will see you guys later, gators.